What a scene there today in Kalispell. This time lapse from our Sportsman Ski House weather camera capturing a snow band blowing through northwest Montana, creating whiteout conditions.
We might actually get a student tomorrow.
Yeah, we've been wondering that.
Everyone's been talking about it at school. So the teachers like, I hope it's a snowman tomorrow.
Teachers want it too.
Yeah, like this,
of course they do.
Like every announcement moment, like all the kids are like, please be the one, please be the one.
We were texting with Grandma and Grandpa on the way here because when we got in the car and it said -2, I texted them a picture of the -2. It said that we were on our way to go get you guys. And Grandpa asked, did they have outdoor PE today, or was it canceled due to the weather?
We never have outdoor PE.
Well, yeah, up to you guys. What are you talking about?
Like in the summertime, we never
hold
have
on.
Hold on. School canceled?
Due to dangerous wind chills and treacherous driving conditions, school is canceled at Lakeside Summer.
Snow day.
Woo! Snow day!
Figured that would happen.
I get the free bed. Like I'm fine with going to school later. I just want to sleep in.
Time to get outside and kind of enjoy some of the cold out there with some experiments. Look at this. Katie took some boiling water, threw it up in the air, and it froze. It looks like her video might have froze as well. No, here she goes. Look at that arch of that frozen water.
Throw it way up in the air. Nope, that did not freeze.
Okay, Mom, I do yours.
I can't reach it.
Okay, ready? This is hot water.
Hot water.
Nope.
No.
Record-breaking temperatures. When Katie was out there this morning throwing that boiling water in the air, it was 33 degrees below zero. That's a new record in Kalispell. We broke a record in Missoula, Butte, and Bozeman. Butte and Bozeman, 45 degrees below zero. That was just the air temperature this morning. We had wind chill values some 60 degrees below. Now we're still battling the
-10 outside. Good job, you stayed on it. Go for it.
I can't. No.
Hey, get closer. Oh, hold on tight. How was -10 sledding?
It was -9 when we were out there.
It's -10 now.
It was -9 when we were out there.
Okay. How was -9 sledding? Haley's not going to answer.
I'm in pain. I can't feel my toes.
My butt is freezing.
I saw you a little snow. It was fun. We're good.